Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change the currency on XM trading. Right now, if we have our account from here and we click on this account, we go to manage, and then right here we want to change the currency. But to be honest, we can do that by clicking on account information, and then you probably will have the option to change the currency. But if you can see, we don't have that option. So this is exactly what you need to do. So what you need to do is we click here on demo and we want to create a new account. This works also for a real account. So right now we click on the plus icon and click on demo account. We select MT5, ultra low standard is fine. And then from here we can change the currency to USD or GBP. Let's say we want USD, and then from here we do continue. Then you need to fill in a trading account password, and then you click on complete, and then you have a new trading account with another currency, because otherwise it's not possible. So hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.